What's going on, everyone? We are out here working on the 91 Jeep Cherokee. It is a two-door, six-cylinder, five-speed, four-wheel drive. Evan bought it back when he was 13, sold his four-wheeler to get it. We knew it had some rust because you can see the carpet pad from underneath the Jeep. So we got the carpet out finally, had some rusted nuts and stuff, and finally get a first look at how bad the floors are going to be. So, not sure the patch panels are going to cover all of the space, but we do have some other metal we can use to fill the gaps. Started roughing in the floorboards. Had to cut that much off the floor pan. This being a two-door, the kit that I bought was the only kit that specified four or two-door. So we got that piece roughed in. Had to stop and get some rust converter. Do a good painting on the metal that's kind of left and neutralize that rust. It's another day. Back working on the 91 Cherokee. Replacing the floor pans. Part of the frame was missing there, and you can see I've added a little bit of metal back to replace what was missing. Getting ready to start fitting the pan in place. So we have got 1/4 of it in. Just kind of stitch welded everything up, spot welded, about 3 inches apart everywhere around, and we'll seam seal the rest. We have got the driver's side done. Took a better part of the day, but there it is. Alright, it is day 3 on the 91 Cherokee. Started working on the passenger side floorboards. Got the major part of the rust cut out for the passenger side there. Got everything else rust converted. Starting to cut the patch panels. Alright, end of day 3. We've got the passenger side patched. It was more of a patch job over here because it was nowhere near as bad as the driver's side. I know it's not the right way to do it, but I bet you won't even notice from your house when the carpet's back in. So we went ahead and did a fresh coat of glossy black rattle can restoration on it. Let that dry up, and then we got to start trying to figure out where the roof's leaking. But at least we got new floors to catch all the water that comes in.